Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss how to use and difference between few and little. Few is used with plural countable noun and little is used with uncountable noun. Now let's see difference among few, a few and the few. Few is used almost in negative sense and a few is used in positive sense. Look at the examples. जार में थोड़ी सी टॉफ़ीज़ बची हैं. There are few toffees left in the jar. It means they are almost finished कि 2 या 3 left in the jar. मुझे ज़्यादा बातें करना पसंद नहीं, इसलिए मेरे थोड़े से फ्रेंड हैं. I don't like to talk too much, so I have few friends. It means 2 or 3, not many. कोविड की वजह से मेरे भाई की शादी में बहुत थोड़े गेस्ट आए थे. Few guests came to my brother's marriage due to COVID-19. Now look at the examples of a few. A few has positive sense. We still have a few minutes left before the class gets over. Do you have any question? अब मैंने यहाँ कहा a few, it means positive sense में कि we still have some time, so we should use it. मैंने कुछ सेंटेंसेस लिखे हैं. आई हैव रिटन अ फ्यू सेंटेंसेस. सुहानी की इंस्टाग्राम पर कुछ फ़ोटोज़ हैं. सुहानी हैज़ अ फ्यू फ़ोटोज़ ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ द फ्यू. द फ्यू मीन्स द होल ऑफ एनी पर्टिकुलर नंबर. थोड़ा बहुत जो भी हो. द फ्यू क्लोथ्स ही हैज़ आर ऑल वेरी ओल्ड. इट मीन्स यहाँ होल नंबर की बात हो रही है. क्लोथ्स 1 है, 2 है, 5 है, 7 है, जितने भी हैं सारे पुराने हैं. जो थोड़ी गलतियाँ उसने की थी मैंने वो ठीक कर दी. आई करेक्टेड द फ्यू मिस्टेक्स ही हैड मेड. नेक्स्ट अप लिटल, अ लिटल एंड द लिटल. लिटल इज यूज्ड इन नेगेटिव सेंस. अ लिटल इज यूज्ड इन पॉजिटिव सेंस. लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल्स. We still have little money right now. We should go out for dinner another day. It means थोड़ी सी मनी है इन नेगेटिव सेंस में कि हम डिनर के लिए नहीं जा सकते. We still have a little money. We can go for a decent dinner. It means थोड़ी सी है पर पॉजिटिव सेंस में कि we can go for dinner. I felt unhappy because my friends gave me little help, almost no help. I want a little help. It means some help. We have made little progress. It means ना के बराबर progress की है. He is making a little progress these days. इन दिनों वह थोड़ी progress कर रहा है. It means in positive sense. Look at the examples of the little. The little means the whole of any particular quantity. थोड़ा बहुत जो भी है. The little rice that the shopkeeper offered me was of an inferior quality. कि थोड़ा बहुत राइस जो शॉपकीपर ने मुझे ऑफ़र किया वो inferior क्वालिटी का था. The little money I had was spent on food. जो थोड़ी बहुत मनी मेरे पास थी वो सारी की सारी खाने पर खर्च हो गई. The little milk in the pan was not enough for the hungry baby. कि थोड़ा बहुत मिल्क जो पैन में था वो हंग्री बेबी के लिए इनफ नहीं था. नेक्स्ट अप यूज़ ऑफ मोर, लेस एंड फ्यूअर. These are comparative determiners. More is used before plural and uncountable nouns to refer to a quantity or amount of something in comparison to another, and it is followed by then. For example, he writes more letters than I do. I do more work than Alina. More is also used to refer to an additional quantity of something when used without then. Look at the example. We need more information. Please give me some more salad. Less is used to refer to an amount of something that is smaller than another amount. It is usually used before uncountable nouns. Look at the example. I earn less money than my brother. She finished the test in less time than her classmates. We have less than 3 minutes left. Fewer is used before plural nouns to refer to a group of things that is smaller than another group. Look at the examples. There were fewer men than women. Fewer students passed the examination this year. I hope you understand very well all the determiners. Thank you so much.